Here we are, Cordova, Alaska. This is doing a boat ramp, and we're putting in the block dam, and we're gonna let a little out. You gotta keep ahead in it to control the current. And so it's 1 foot at a time. This dam is 90 feet long. And we got approximately 10 feet, 15 feet left to go. Repositioning the rope. They should take the slack out of the rope, but they didn't. We'll see if this cranes can't pull from the side. They're not made to do that. They're just made to lift straight up. But we'll see. Okay, we got water going in one side. 3-inch pumps are rolling. And the dam is starting to unroll. It's only been on less than a minute. The 6 hasn't put any water out yet. They're still trying to get her to prime. But this dam's gonna unroll. There we go, now we got water going in the 6-inch pump. We had to turn the pump off so we could make this turn on the inside bag, which is here. That's why it's not full of water. Only the outside tube is. The 8-foot dam's in. Now we just got to finish pumping it up. It took us about an hour and a half to make 2 corners.